Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabi GH channel. Today we are going to do simple and easy recipe of pizza sauce, but trust me, it's going to be delicious. Yalla, let's quickly go through the ingredients we have for our simple but delicious pizza sauce. In total, we have 12 ingredients here for our pizza sauce. We have one medium-sized onion. We have dried chili flakes. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have butter, black pepper, fresh tomatoes, oregano. This is dry oregano, dry basil, dry thyme, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and tomato paste. Now, we are not going to blend these tomatoes because when you blend the tomatoes with the seed, the color of the tomato sauce will not be red as we want it for our pizza. It will be a bit yellowish because of the seed. So we will remove the skin because when you don't blend it, we don't want to see the skin in the sauce. So we remove the skin and the seed. And how we are going to remove the skin from the seed is we will just make small lines here. If you are cutting, you have to be a bit careful. So don't cut deep into the fruit, just small like this. After that, we just put the tomatoes into our boiling water and just always make sure the water is more enough to cover the tomatoes. So we wait for just 5 minutes, then we put it in ice cold water for it to cool down. It's 3 minutes now, and you can see that the skin of the tomatoes is coming off by itself. By 2 minutes time, it will be very soft. Then we put it in our ice cold water. We take the skin off, then we remove the seeds. Alright, 5 minutes is up and our tomatoes is already soft. As you can see, we can remove the skin now. So we put it in ice cold water. Then we wait for about 3 minutes for it to cool down. Then we take the skin off. Our tomatoes is cold now. We are taking the skin off. You can see how easy it is to take the skin off by boiling it for 5 minutes. Time to remove the seeds from the tomatoes. We will do that by just dividing the tomatoes into quarters. Then we use the knife to gently remove the seed because we don't want to throw much of the fruit away. Only the seed that we want to remove. I think you can imagine how the color of the tomato sauce will look by blending this tomato seed. We are done removing the seeds from our tomatoes. We are chopping our tomatoes now. Ingredients are all set now. We will put olive oil, just about 4 teaspoons, and always make sure pot is not very hot. The stove is not set to a high heat because olive oil burns at 120 degrees Celsius. So when the pot is very high, the moment you put the olive oil inside, you see smoke coming and it will change the flavor of the oil and it will affect the whole sauce. Onion inside. Onion inside. Okay, so we can hide the flame now. Then we add our garlic. We are sauteing our onion and garlic now. We don't want the onion and garlic to change color. It become golden brown. No, we just want it to sweat or translucent. So when it's translucent, then we add our tomatoes and other ingredients. We are adding
our tomatoes now. So we will saute this for about 5 minutes. Then we add the tomato paste. This is 50 grams of butter. So we will just take about 30 grams of it. We add our tomato paste. This is 120 grams of tomato paste. And we will cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we add the dry herbs. Add 2 teaspoons of dry chili flakes. We cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we add dry herbs. We are about halfway done to add dry herbs. I'll take 1 teaspoon of the dry basil, 1 teaspoon of the thyme, and 2 teaspoons of the oregano. It's oregano that I'm taking 2 teaspoons. I can smell the aroma from the herbs. And for the chili, it's optional. If you are somebody who don't like anything spicy, don't put it at all. Or just a little kick you need, you just add maybe 1 teaspoon or half. Or if you want more chili, then add more than 2 spoons of chili flakes. It's optional, up to you. But other ingredients, especially the oregano, please, anytime you make pizza sauce, don't forget to add some. I'll add just a pinch of black pepper and then salt to taste. So I'll just add just about 1/3 of teaspoon. Later we taste and see if you have to add more salt. Our pizza sauce is ready, but I have to taste and see if we need to add a little salt and to check if all the other ingredients are really infused together. Yummy! This looks great. I can even smell the aroma from the dry herbs. I like the color and the consistency of the sauce.
Ladies and gentlemen, our pizza sauce is ready and it came out just the way I was expecting it. I like the consistency, I like the flavor from the mixed herbs, and I like the fire from the dry chili flakes. This one took just about 10-12 minutes to finish. I'm talking about the cooking process, so it doesn't take my time. So please, if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification button. So when I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.